Karmelo Anthony has served 2 months of a 35-year prison sentence for stabbing and killing Austin Metcalf at a track meet. His new team of lawyers wants a new trial, and they want a new judge, too. Fox 4's Sean Rabb is in studio with that, and the social justice activist group Next Generation Action Network. Sean.
Yes, Steve, that group urging people to show up at the Collin County Courthouse this week with 2 hearings on the docket, beginning with a motion by Karmelo Anthony's attorney seeking to have Judge John Roach recused. Now, Judge John Roach made public comments after Karmelo Anthony's first trial that he did everything right, that he thought the trial was fair. Defense attorneys say those comments should not have been made by the sitting judge in a case he knew would be appealed in seeking a new trial. Next Generation Action Network founder Dominique Alexander encouraging people to come see the legal proceedings this week.
When legitimate legal questions rise about whether a person should receive a fair trial, those questions deserve to be heard and considered according to the law. This is what the courts are for. This is why these hearings matter.
Now, visiting Judge Sid Harrell, you see here, presided over the first Uvalde shooting trial, is in Collin County Wednesday to listen to arguments and weigh them on the scales of justice in this recusal effort. Again, that happens Wednesday. Anthony Farmer is a Dallas attorney not in this case in any way. Farmer says if the recusal is denied, then the same judge, Judge Roach, would sit over the hearing requesting a new trial Thursday.
And if the judge already feels that and has made comments and admitted that he feels the first trial was fair, then the movement presenting a motion for a new trial is almost moot and void because the judge has already said, I feel it's fair.
Farmer says he has had cases, though, where a judge was recused, but it's a high bar. And the new lawyers for Karmelo Anthony can appeal rulings from this week to the Court of Criminal Appeals. Now, at these type hearings, it's not unusual also to learn about new information or new evidence that was not part of the original trial. So there could be some of that as well this week.
All right, Sean Rabb in the studio. We'll see where it goes. We'll see what's next. Thank you.
All right.